We're going to begin this language arts lesson with two things. Okay, so you're going to need your sight word caterpillar. If you open this up, you'll see at the top you have a big circle with nothing in it, and then some kind of crescent-shaped circles, 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. And I'm going to ask you then in your English language arts folder, the ones that's yellow with a green cover, open that up. And today you're going to pull out these. These are the puzzle pieces that go with your sight word caterpillar. Okay, so you're going to need scissors and a glue stick and your markers or your crayons today. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to cut all these out on the black line right here. Cut out the big circle. This is going to be used for your caterpillar's head. Okay, so as I cut, I'm going to cut this one. And one thing you'll learn, this is a great trick for kindergarten, when we cut things out that we're going to glue down, put them inside your crayon box so you don't lose them when you go and cut the next thing. And then also another cutting trick, if something is too big for you to hold, you can cut them into smaller pieces like this, and then it might be easier for you to cut around the black line. Okay. I hope you like cutting as much as I do. I think cutting things out with the scissors can be a lot of fun. Okay. So there's two. I'm going to put those in the trash because kindergartners always clean up after themselves. Okay, and then this is, by the way, the sight word I right here. This that I'm cutting out is a sight word can. Okay, we're going to be reading these words all year long. The next sight word right here, the letters T-H-E spell the. Now, the. It doesn't look like T says T, H says H, and E says eh. Why does that make the? Well, that's why we have spelling, because there's a lot of words in the English language that do not look how they spell. And that's one of the reasons why these are called sight words, because you have to memorize them. So that's why we do a lot of practice reading them, because if you do things a lot of times, then your brain memorizes them. So this last word here that I'm cutting out is R-E-D, red. Okay, so what you're going to do then is get your glue stick and then go ahead and fill in some glue on that first circle, the big circle, and glue your big circle down. Okay. You're going to cover up the next circle inside the lines, because this is like a puzzle, and find the word I and put that down. Okay. The next word is can. So go ahead and you can put glue inside that circle and then glue down the word can. It's going to fit there really nicely. And then here's the word the. I'm going to go to the back side of that. Remember, if I'm going too fast for you, I've got bigger hands, I've been gluing for a long time, I've been cutting for a long time, it's okay. If I'm going too fast, just pause the video at any time, and then you can put it back to play when you're ready, okay? So I'm putting the cap back on my glue, I'm putting my glue away. That's on there. Okay, now I'm going to take out my markers. This is the Very Hungry Caterpillar, and I'm going to take out some colors now, something other than yellow, maybe 2 or 3 colors, and maybe my purple. Find some colors that you like, and I'll show you what you're going to do. So I'm going to draw, let's see, first I'm going to put on my caterpillar right up here, I'm going to put some antenna. So a caterpillar is an insect. And I'm just going to draw in some antenna, 2 antenna at the top. I'm going to make some green eyes for my caterpillar. And if you want to give your caterpillar eyelashes, that's fine. If you want to make your caterpillar a little girl caterpillar, that's fine. I'm going to give my caterpillar a mouth. Okay. And then On each word, this is important, I'm going to write like almost like a little backwards L on each of the, underneath each of the words. And that is a foot. Okay, let me find one more color here. Maybe I'll use orange. I'm going to give my caterpillar a little nose. You don't have to, but I'm going to give my caterpillar a little nose. Okay, there we go. Okay, so if you're still decorating your caterpillar's face, you can go ahead and pause right now. Okay, so if you're done, now you've finished with your caterpillar, here's what I want you to do. We're going to do this every day. You're going to touch the purple foot, and you're going to read the word with me. So, I, repeat I, point to the next, touch, put your finger over the next foot, say can, repeat can, put your finger over the next foot, read the word, the, and put your finger over the next foot and say red, red. And that's it. We've begun our sight word caterpillar. We're going to be working on this all year. I hope you had a lot of fun with that. Thank you for joining me for this lesson, boys and girls.